with 265 members voting in the affirmative, 14 in the negative, and 8 abstentions, the findings and recommendations contained in Committee Report Number 298 are hereby adopted.
Madam Chair, point of
Representative
order.
Barsaga is hereby notified of the action taken by the House on Committee Report Number 298. Majority
Speaker.
Leader.
Point of order, Madam Speaker.
Majority Leader.
I move to recognize Representative Marcelino C. Libanan, Minority Floor Leader.
Madam Speaker, Mr. Majority Floor Leader, a point of
Majority
order is
Leader.
the second highest
Majority Leader.
Motion to suspend.
Session
motion.
suspended.
So,
From the Lone District of Navotas City. So move, Madam Speaker.
The Honorable Tobias Tobit M. Chanco is recognized. You have 3 minutes.
Madam Speaker, dear colleagues, I voted no not because I'm defending Kong Kiko Barsaga. No? Tulad ng sinabi ko, mga kasalanan siya na dapat natin bigyan ng penalty o dapat natin parusahan. Ngunit ang tingin ko, yung parusang ibinigay natin na pagtanggal sa kanya dito sa kanyang bilang congressman ay masyadong sobra doon sa ginawa niyang mga pagkukulang. No? Pangalawa po, hindi lang po siya yung tinanggal natin, tinanggalan po natin na representante ang mga bumoto sa kanya. No? Pangatlo po, yung sinasabi natin na sinisira yung imahe ng House, hindi naman po siya yung nakakasira. Ang nakasira po talaga sa imahe ng House, bago pa man siya magsalita, bago pa man siya mag-vlog, talagang yung corruption issue dito ng ilang miyembro tungkol doon sa pagbebenta ng budget. No? So nakakalungkot lang na si Kiko ay tinanggal natin, pero yung ibang alam natin na gumawa ng corruption dito ay hindi man lang natin mabanggit. At panghuli po, yung kanyang mga ginawang kasalanan na ang basihan ay social media, may para naman po para siya mapanagot at siya makasuhan ng cyber libel. So mas maganda po sana kung ang hukuman na lang ang magdidesisyon dito para wala pong halong politika. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move to recognize Representative Paulo Henry M. Marcoleta from Party List Sagip.
The
So
Honorable Paulo Henry Marcoleta is recognized. You have 3 minutes.
Madam Speaker, I rise today not simply to defend statements and actions made by my colleague, Representative Barsaga. I rise for a far more important reason, to defend the integrity of representative democracy, due process, and free speech. The question before us is whether this House should exercise its gravest disciplinary power, which is the expulsion of a duly elected member of Congress and thereby disenfranchise hundreds of thousands of Caviteños who sent him here to represent them. On that question, my vote is a clear and unequivocal no. The seats you occupy as representatives of the people belong to the sovereign Filipino people who elected us. The seat occupied by Representative Barsaga belongs to the people of Cavite. The power to expel a member does not merely punish an individual. Inevitably, it collectively restricts the participation of the constituency and overrides the sovereign judgment of voters. We substitute our collective will for theirs. Ang expulsion ay nakalaan bilang sa mga pinakamabigat na aksyon laban sa isang kinatawan. Ito ay ipinapataw para sa mga kinatawan na sa tingin ng Kamara ay hindi na maaari maglingkod dahil sa malulubhang sanhi. Ang pag-post sa social media, ang pagkakaroon ng conventional conduct, ang pagpuna sa Kongreso, ang pagkilos at pananalita kagaya ng isang pusa, ang mga ito ay malayo sa dapat na dinidisiplina ng expulsion. Corruption, criminal misconduct, betrayal of public trust, or actions that directly threaten the institution itself. Madam Speaker, if disagreeable speech, criticism of Congress, and unconventional behavior are now grounds for expulsion, we are creating a dangerous precedent that contradicts lawful protections offered to all our citizens. The remedy to undesirable speech is more speech, healthy debates, and meaningful discourse, not political persecution. If, for the sake of argument, we agree that the speech of Representative Barsaga continues to merit penalties, expulsion is a far too burdensome penalty for the acts to be punished. The purpose of discipline is to preserve the orderly functioning of the institution. If every repeat offender is automatically expelled, then expulsion ceases to be an extraordinary remedy and becomes an instrument of political control. This is a dangerous precedent for all the representatives of this chamber. Madam Speaker, democracy operates to protect both the ally and the opponent so that each one may come before the table to discuss common ground and resolve differences. Democracy requires precisely that discipline. Representative Barsaga may be unconventional. He may be provocative. He may even be wrong. But none of those are sufficient grounds to nullify the mandate entrusted to him by the people. If his constituents believe he has failed them, the people possess enforceable democratic remedies. The voters elected him. The voters can remove him. That judgment belongs first and foremost to the people, not to us. For these reasons, and in defense of representative democracy, constitutional liberty, due process, proportionality, and the sovereign will of the electorate, I respectfully register my vote against the proposed expulsion of Representative Barsaga. I vote no. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move to recognize Representative Elijah R. San Fernando from Party List Kamanggagawa.
The Honorable Elijah San Fernando is recognized. You have 3 minutes.
Madam Speaker, mga kasama, ang Kamanggagawa ay tumitindig upang irehistro ang aming pagtutol sa desisyong patalsikin sa pwesto si Representative Kiko Barzaga. This House has made a huge mistake today, and it must now reckon with a dangerous precedent the majority has created. Pasaway, walang modo, raskal. Ganito po ilarawan ng marami si Representative Barzaga. Nakasisira sa imahe at reputasyon ng Kamara ang kanyang mga ginagawa, kaya marapat lamang daw na siya ay patalsikin. Pero kung ang pagprotekta sa kaayusan at prestihiyo ng Kamara ang pamantayan, may mga tanong po ang kinatawang ito. Ilang beses na ba tayong nakakita at nakasaksi ng mga mambabatas na nagbabatuhan ng personal na insulto? Ilan na bang mga kagalang-galang na miyembro ng Kamara ang humarap o nasangkot sa mga graft and corruption scandal at iba pang mga kontrobersya? We are reminded, public officials shall lead modest lives and that we shall not indulge ourselves in extravagant or ostentatious display of wealth in any form. How many members of this House have violated this ethical standard? And yet, the House did not expel them. At ngayon, inaangat ng Kongreso ang kaso ni Representative Barzaga na ang sentro ay social media posts, political insults, parliamentary misconduct sa antas ng expellable offense. At the heart of this question is democracy itself. In deciding that the duly elected Representative Barzaga must be expelled, we are disenfranchising 160,000 voters who have selected him to serve them. Tinanong ba natin sila kung hindi na niya nagagampanan ang kanyang tungkulin? Inunsulta ba natin ang mga mamamayan ng Dasmariñas kung sang-ayon silang alisan ng boses kongresong ito? Hindi ba malinaw sa mga kapwa mambabatas na nakikita ng mga manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino ang ating pagmamadaling sipain si Representative Kiko habang pinapalampas naman natin ang kagimbal-gimbal na problema ng korupsyon? Let us be clear, ang usapin na ito ay hindi kung tama o mali si Representative Barzaga. Hindi kung siya ba ay dapat punahin, parusahan o isuspend. Ang tunay na tanong, handa ba tayong magtakda ng bagong pamantayan na ang offensive speech ang pagiging pasaway o ang parliamentary misconduct ay katumbas na ng pinakamabigat na parusa na kaya nating ibigay. If the majority's decision becomes the new standard, then the question is no longer why Kiko Barzaga is being expelled. The question is why so many others before him were not. Ngayon, maaaring ang nasa kapangyarihan ang nagtatakda ng pamantayan. You might be overjoyed at the act of punishing Representative Barzaga, but power is not permanent, Madam Speaker. Bilog ang mundo. Darating ang panahon na ang ginawa ng Kongresong ito kay Representative Barzaga ay maaari ring maipataw sa kahit sino man sa atin. Today's decision of the House would forever be a stain on this institution. Maraming salamat po, Madam Speaker.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move to recognize Representative Robert Nasal from Party List BH.
The Honorable Robert Nasal is recognized. You have 3 minutes.
Madam Speaker, since I've already manifested earlier, I would just like to submit my explanation of no vote.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move to consider Committee Report number 299, submitted by the Committee on... Madam Speaker, move to suspend session for a few
Session
minutes.
suspended.